Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can buy a phone number from Verizon, and this is actually very easy. At first you search for Verizon on Google and then you head over to their app. As you can see, they have all of this. So let's say you want an iPhone. So we're going to search for iPhone right over here, and then we're going to wait for it to load up. As you can see, the results loaded up and you can see all of them phones are available. So let's say you want this one, so we click on this one. After that, you need to select what color that you want. Let's say we want red, and then you select the GB. Let's say we are a new customer, and then the payment option, you could also see that you have like $2, which is like great, and then $9.29, which is a one-time payment. And then after you select that, you need to click on next steps right over here, and then put in your zip code, and then click on confirm location. And after that, it's basically going to be asking you a bunch of questions that you need to put in, and once you do, you'll be ready to buy your phone from Verizon. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.